In the flooded town of Kalyazin, a granite bell tower rises like a stubborn memory from a silvered pool, guarding a century of whispers. Local legends say the flood preserved prayers as if the waters themselves kept watch, while historians debate whether the tower marks a deliberate oath broken or a mercy granted by rivers. As the camera glides through submerged streets and fish pass between marble columns, the tale deepens into a study of memory and loss that reshapes knowledge of a vanished community. The journey reveals how culture survives not in stone alone, but in currents that carry stories forward. Scholars leave with questions, travelers depart with a reverent sense that some histories demand to be heard from below.